let's just say that girls are as simple as men. I'll probably walk into my wedding with slippers, flip-flops, and with polo, and I'm like, niggas, can we just get this shit over? And I'm a drink with my wife and get the fuck home and knock her. Brah, what up?
Hi guys, my name is Chisom Ebube and I'm here with
Ebube.
And you're welcome to our show. It's called The Talk Shop TTS. So we're going to be discussing everything from relationships to business to career to sex to literally you can shop anything from this show. Sex. So get ready to shop.
Sex. We're going to talk about sex, guys.
That's the only thing you heard from everything I said.
Sex.
We're going to be talking about the extravagance of Nigerian weddings because honestly, I feel like people are not getting married for the concept of, oh, I fell in love with somebody. They just want to put on a show. Like, I'm going to shut down because it's my wedding.
It's on social media, yeah. Yeah,
so let's check out this video that's making rounds on social media. I think on YouTube. I think the video is really extra. So let's see. First of all,
someone actually said with help.
I'm a child of God.
And that's Sabinus. I just saw Sabinus.
Sabinus was like, what be this? Because I'm a Christian, and then a juju-looking man just runs into my wedding hall, spraying smoke, and I run around.
Yeah, okay, so first off, I'm just going
to be like, boss. I don't know who that juju man is.
To be honest, for someone like me, I'm very conservative, right? You won't even have something like, in short, if you leave me here, yeah, I'll just have like 100 people on my wedding, and
no, by the
end of the day, I'll probably just
vibe, because all this thing was just to spray money. That was the whole point.
Or just to be in the front line of social media. That's another point.
So why have okay? You can do the juju thing. Do you understand?
That guy might not even be a juju guy.
I know, but
just
like
be a comedian
it's just
wearing juju clothes.
So
front line
for the culture.
Front line
for the culture. But then, why do you have people that dress like Reverend sisters on tight shorts carrying the cross? For me, that's disrespectful. Because if I'm a Christian and I'm sitting there, that's disrespectful to my religion. Yeah. And it's not going to sit very well with they could have worn any other thing.
That they would have pants, right? And
just
bra. That's disrespect to porn stars, fam. What up?
Which porn stars? Porn stars is not a religion. People don't pray.
I think you're being sentimental, right? So, how exactly do you get to judge if it's disrespectful to Christianity?
Because they're carrying
anybody can carry cross.
No, no, but it's like it's a symbol of what we believe in.
What do we believe in? Cross.
That Jesus died on the cross.
And this is the problem I have with a lot of Christians, right? And don't get me wrong, right? I'm not an atheist, right? I'm actually a strong Christian. I go from a strong Christian family, but I honestly think a lot of times you guys try to, drive everything to the Christianity. And in these guys, first off, black and white is not.
I don't have a problem with the color.
Okay, what is your problem?
But they're wearing
black and white and they are carrying cross.
And then sister with the veil and the white just to spray money. Come and spray your money now. Just spray your money and go.
Whatever it is, you see, this is business. So marriage is now business in Nigeria. Much. Whatever it is that you're going to do to get money and to get people to spray. Also, you're going to dress up like Reverend Fathers. Please get them to. But I actually get your point. And my own reservation here is that I actually don't care if they are dressed like Reverend sisters or whatever, they are dressed like porn stars or whatever it is. My problem or my only reservation for this is that I think it's too extra.
It is.
And the problem I have with things being extra in Nigeria is that they keep setting a threshold and they keep breaking the threshold. So someone does something like this now and people are wearing, like she said, uniforms looking like Reverend Sister. Tomorrow probably someone is going to do something
like the Pope.
Do you understand? Something that is higher. So how exactly do we get to measure, or do we get to say who puts up the measurement, who puts the control,
exactly.
Who says,
to be honest, you are free to be creative, you're free to do anything you
we have a lot of
I feel like there
people.
should be like a thin line between, there are some certain things that should be
madness
sacred.
and sanity.
Do you understand? Because I feel like if you're a Muslim, you would never dress as an imam on a tight short and then now come to a wedding.
Yeah,
I'm going to soon as you're done.
Well, I'm going to leave that one for the Muslims because the Christians, we just don't have respect for our religion, if I actually want to be honest, right? So Muslims, there are things they cannot, it's not possible.
Exactly.
It's not going to happen, right?
And I feel like we need it because we need to curb these excesses. For me, it's a lot. Like, it's a lot. Like, if I was in that wedding, I would not
probably be rolling my eyes.
No, I would.
Nope. If I was in that wedding, I'll be looking at booties of the Reverend sisters. Okay, I'm sorry, that is not supposed to be part of this. But booties, girl. So for real, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
So for real, I honestly think, like I said, I've already said it. My reservation is just that it's extra, and we keep pushing this thing higher and higher.
Yeah.
And there's no way of putting a balance to it. So.
I feel like people want to entertain people at their weddings. So people want to go to. I want people to say, "Oh,
if you want to entertain people, go and call Davido."
I've attended weddings that had like artists. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Perform, sing for the bride. It was cool. It was entertaining. And maybe you've not seen the person before. It's like, oh yeah, Davido is here. So it was cool. So everybody's entertained. We were fed well. We ate. We danced. We sprayed money.
Right. This is now. It now brings me to the point where I'm asking, what exactly do people expect when they go for weddings, right? So for a guy, right? I've been to a lot of weddings. A guy, emphasis on a guy, right? And these weddings were actually crappy and scrappy, right?
Oh, wow.
But guess what?
There was a lot of drinks.
And I've just realized that, right? The only thing...
So because of alcohol, y'all are good.
I know, send you. So what
good.
guys are just looking out for is basically two things. Food day and alcohol day.
And girls.
And bridesmaids. Why are you so smart? So let's just put it under the umbrella of food, alcohol, and booty. Booty. Just give me booty. Then we're good. And no, it brings, and girls, and this is the reason why we have problems with girls, right? So guys are so simple and girls are so complex, right? So a girl will tell you that, oh my God, she wants everything to be drilled down to the most inflection part of it. She wants keneko. She wants these things to be properly done and take this particular chronological approach.
Yes.
Nobody send that thing.
No. I think even guys are beginning to send it. Because now guys are now wearing to match whatever.
Who is that?
They will now wear. Guys are not going out of their way during weddings.
Winnie, let me shock you, right? If girls are not being extra, guys will not send.
But they are extra men. They are men that are naturally extra.
Gay people, gay men that don't know they're gay.
We love everybody.
Honestly, if let's just say that girls are as simple as men, I'll probably walk into my wedding with slippers, flip-flops, and with polo, and I'm like, niggas, can we just get this shit over and I'm a drink with my wife and get the fuck home and knock her? Brah, what up? Nobody's next, for real. It's just that you guys keep making it look like a big deal. So we have to start, building the concept of learning how to live, do better, plan better. Because, okay, now, like, that was last year, my friend did his wedding. We had to pay, was it 100K?
Why?
To get Prado, each, Prado now, to rent Prado for the year, to rent it per year for the, exactly. And I don't have the problem. How many
people rent one?
No, like, I think we had like 15 Prados, right? And I don't.
Why?
That is the thing, right? If women don't pay attention, let's just say now why you say let's just do this thing and move on. Trust me, it's not going to be a big. You will see men doing this thing.
Shebi, once it's 7 p.m. that day, Shebi, it has gone.
We guys will be knocking by then. But let's just move on, right? It's just a.
I don't think it's necessary, to be honest. If you have the money, fine. And something that
he does have the money.
If it's something that you want to do and you have the money to do it, I think it's cool. But like, not that you will now tax your friends. You will now borrow.
No, you're not getting me right. Nobody's complaining. We're not complaining. I'm just trying to tell you that assuming humans are naturally simple like us, we won't even bother trying to get a Prado. We'll probably use keke to come and be drunk inside the keke. I'll be like, bro, we don't like the we bring more drinks. So I'm not complaining about the pay. 100K is nothing, right? I'm just saying that if you look at it, right, it's just cause and effect. He has a way of going back to the woman. Hey, Omo, this woman go one make her.
not.
Really?
It would never be. People are extra. Male, female.
Yeah, we have a lot of
In
actually.
between. Yes. So I feel like it's just what you want to do.
Let me ask you a question. Yeah, would you like to marry an extra man?
No.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Why?
Immediately no.
Wow. You talk again about now, so Kini.
No.
But for reals, why? Why exactly? Why?
Because I feel like life is simple, and.
But you guys are not simple.
Is
that not very counterintuitive?
I feel like it's based on the individual. I don't think that some things are necessary. I feel like some things...
For a guy or for a girl?
For both genders, to be honest.
But you guys
I know
are
that some
allowed to
women
be
are
extra.
I know that some women are extra.
What? You guys are all extra. It's just a different level of degree.
Some. You know, they want to wear 4 different dresses. They want to have 4 different
I've seen someone that wore 8 different... I'm like... It's like, this is the part that woman. This is the part. I'm like,
and you know, like after the wedding day, yeah, those dresses are literally useless to you because they are too dramatic to go anywhere. Unless you're like, unless you're Kim Kardashian that have to go to red carpet.
One dog. I don't know.
If you're not, I think some things are really not. To be honest, if you're an extra person and you find an extra person and you guys are extra together, that's what you guys
are
like.
Extravagant together.
That's fine. That's fine. But for me, I think this wedding, it creeped me out a little.
Yes, yeah.
It creeped me out. And it was just to spray money. You could have sprayed, just body go and sit down.
But you know, funny, if I'm here, to be honest, right, I'll probably not even be paying attention to this if they have a lot of drinks. Probably just be like, come on, these guys are just...
If you ever want to invite Ebube for your wedding, just make sure there are drinks.
And booties.
And booties. So.
Booty. Because, you know, but think about it now.
Yeah. Anyways, if you have any video you'd like us to react to, anything you'd like to talk about, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for hanging with us. Bye.
Action.
Hi guys, my name is Chisom Ebube and I'm here with...
Be careful.
Your vibe is too low. I'm going to do it again. Hi guys, my name is Chisom Ebube and I'm here with...
Be careful. Welcome to...
One more time. It's not working.
Can you talk a minute?
Hi guys, my name is Chisom Ebube and I'm here with...
Be careful.
Exactly, you're welcome to...
Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know. I can just see 100 times. Stop.